For decades, we've heard the same story. American factories are closing, jobs are moving overseas, and Made in America is becoming a thing of the past. The rise of global supply chains seemed unstoppable, chasing cheaper labor and lower costs across the world. We all got used to seeing labels from every corner of the globe on our products. But what if I told you that story is starting to change? What if the tide is turning? A massive shift is happening right now, quietly reshaping the global economy. The very things that pushed manufacturing away are now pulling it back. The pandemic exposed just how fragile those long, complicated supply chains can be. Suddenly, having your factory on the other side of the world felt less like a smart cost-saving move and more like a huge risk. Companies realized that just-in-time can easily become not at all. This new focus on resilience is a game changer. Add to that the incredible advancements in automation and robotics, which are leveling the playing field on labor costs. Plus, new government incentives are making it more attractive than ever for businesses to invest right here at home. It's a perfect storm of factors driving a manufacturing renaissance. And this isn't just a theory, it's happening right now. Look at major players in the semiconductor industry who are building massive new fabrication plants in states like Arizona and Ohio, thanks to legislation like the CHIPS Act. This is about securing the technology that powers our entire modern world. In the auto industry, companies are investing billions to build electric vehicle and battery factories across the American Midwest and South. We are not just talking about assembling cars, we are talking about creating the high-tech heart of the next generation of transportation. Even in industries like pharmaceuticals and medical supplies, companies are bringing critical production back to ensure we are never caught off guard in a crisis again. These aren't just anecdotes, they are part of a multi-billion-dollar trend of reshoring. The impact of this return is profound. It's about more than just numbers on a spreadsheet. It's about people and communities. Every new factory creates a ripple effect. There are the direct manufacturing jobs, often high-skilled and well-paying. Then there are the construction jobs to build the facilities, the logistics jobs to move the goods, and the local service jobs that spring up to support the new workforce. Think of the local diners, the small suppliers, the real estate boom. This is how you revitalize a town. This wave of investment also spurs innovation. When research, development, and production are all in the same place, ideas can move from the lab to the factory floor faster than ever before, creating a powerful ecosystem of progress. Of course, this journey isn't without its challenges. There's a serious skilled labor shortage. We need more welders, technicians, and engineers to run these advanced factories. Upgrading our infrastructure, from ports to power grids, is another massive hurdle we have to overcome. And let's be real, the cost pressures that drove companies overseas haven't completely disappeared. But the momentum is undeniable. The long-term outlook for American manufacturing is brighter than it has been in a generation. This isn't about turning back the clock to the 1950s. It's about building the smart, resilient, and innovative factories of the future, right here at home. This is the new chapter of American industry, and it's being written as we speak. What do you think about this manufacturing comeback? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this interesting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the trends shaping our world. Thanks for watching.